Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. Children, in science, today we are going to start a new lesson. Okay, children, in science, third lesson we are going to start today. Before we could enter the lesson, first I am going to ask you some questions. Will you all answer me, children? Yeah, fine. See, first thing, where do we get all the vegetables and fruits? From the plants only, isn't it? And where do we get rice, wheat, corn, and all the grams, cereals? That also from our plants only, isn't it? Yes, children. Now see here, so many plants and trees are there, isn't it? Children, you just imagine now, without plants and trees, can we breathe fresh air? No. So, to get fresh air, we need plants also. Okay, children. So, now, can you guess what is the topic today we are going to discuss? Yes, third lesson, topic name is plants. Okay, children. What is the topic? Plants. Third lesson, plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Okay? Children, as usual, before we enter the lesson, first we are going to learn some hard words, children. Okay? So, before we getting into the lesson, first we are going to learn some hard words. Are you ready, children? Yes. See here, first one, structure. Structure. S-T-R-U-C-T-U-R-E. Structure. Structure means அமைப்பு. Okay? Next one, function. Function. F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N. Function. Function means வேலைகள். வேலை. Okay? Next one, bunch. Bunch. B-U-N-C-H. Bunch means கொத்தாக. கொத்தாக. Next one is minerals. Minerals. M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S. Minerals means தாதுக்கள். Okay? தாதுக்கள். Next one, fixation. Fixation. F-I-X-A-T-I-O-N. Fixation. Fixation means நிர்ணயம். Okay? Fix பண்றது. ஒரு இடத்துல fix ஸ்டாண்டர்டா இருக்குது. Next one, absorption. Absorption. A-B-S-O-R-B-T-I-O-N. A-B-S-O-R-B-T-I-O-N. Absorption means உறிஞ்சுதல். Okay? உறிஞ்சுதல். Next one, soil. Soil. S-O-I-L. Soil, மண். Soil, மண். Next one. Next, eighth one, supports. S-U-P-P-O-R-T-S. Supports means தாங்கி பிடித்தல். Okay? Next, transports. Transports. T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T-S. Transports. T-R-A-N-S. Transports. P-O-R-T-S. Transports means கடத்துதல். Okay? Transport means கடத்துதல். Next, store excess food. Store excess food. Okay? Excess food. சேமித்து வைக்கிறது. Extra food வந்து சேவ் பண்ணி வைக்கிறது. Okay? Store excess food. S-T-O-R-E. Store excess. E-X-C-E-S-S. Excess food. F-O-O-D. Food. Okay? Okay. One more time. Shall we read all the 10 words now? Okay. See first one. Structure. Function. Bunch. Minerals. Fixation. Absorption. Soil. Supports. Transports. And store excess food. Okay, children, now let us getting into the lesson. First, see children, what is this? Plant, isn't it? See, a plant has many parts, okay, and each part has different functions to do. Okay, children, see first, what are the basic parts of the plant? Okay, see here, what are the basic parts of the plant? Root, okay, this is root, stem, S-T-E-M, stem, These are branches. Okay, branches, and see flowers. Okay, flowers and seeds. Okay, root, stem, branches, leaf. Okay, see this is leaf and flowers and seeds. Okay, seeds. These are the different basic parts of a plant. Okay, children. Children, now will you try to write it in your textbook? See, in page number 58, they have given some unscramble the words. Okay, we have to find out the correct word. I have to fill it in that box. Okay, children, see, let's start. What is the first one? See, what is this part? What is this? Yes, root. What is spelling for root? See here, what is spelling for root? Yes, R-O-O-T, root. R-O-O-T, root. Next, say what is this name of a part? Yes, stem. Stem. Spelling for stem? S-T-E-M. S-T-E-M, stem. Okay. Next, third one. What is this? Yes, what is this? Fruit. Fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. Next, see here inside they have marked here. What is this? Yes, seed. Spelling for seed. S-E-E-D. Seed. S-E-E-D. Seed. And this is, what is this? Easy one, isn't it? Yes. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. And last one, easily you can find out. This is, yes, flower. Okay, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Likewise, in your textbook, you try to write it, children. Okay, so children, now we are going to learn different parts of the plant and their structure and their function. Okay, children. So first thing we are going to learn in detail about roots. Okay, children. Children, when we consider, when we talk about root, these roots are the very important parts in the plant. Okay, and this root grows under the soil only. Okay, under the soil only all the roots can be grow and it can be away from the sunlight. வேர்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சன்லைட்ல இருந்து அது தூரமாக எப்பவுமே சன்லைட் பார்த்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது வேர் இருந்து பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா இல்லை ஸோ ரூட்ஸ் it can be away from the sunlight and grows into the soil. Okay, see here it grows into the soil. See here from where I am taking this, under the soil only. Okay, so it grows under the soil. And see children, all the roots, it is not in same size and same shapes. Okay, roots can be different size and different shapes. So under the root we have two types of root, children. Okay, how many types? Two types of root we have. See here, this is two types. What are they means? First one, fibrous root. This is fibrous root and this one is tap root. This one is tap root. Okay, what are the two types of root? Fibrous root and tap root. Okay, fibrous root. What is spelling for fibrous? F-I-B-R-O-U-S. Fibrous and tap. T-A-B, tap. Tap root. Okay, children. As I said before, root can be divided into two types. Okay, first one tap root and second one fibrous root. Okay, tap root and fibrous root. See here, what is spelling for tap root, children? Tap. T-A-P. Tap root. R-O-O-T. Root. Tap root. And see here, fibrous root spelling? Fibrous. F-I-B-R-O-U-S. Fibrous by one. What is taproot and fibrous root? Okay. Okay, children. First, we will see this taproot. See this one. This is example for taproot, children. See. Taproot has one main root. Okay, taproot has one main root. From this only, from this main root, see here, this many thin roots are started to grow up. Okay, from this main root, many thin roots are started to grow up. Okay, and this one go deep into the soil. This taproot go deep into the soil, but fibrous root that do not go deep into the soil. Okay, children. And children, now we are going to see a second type of root, fibrous root. Okay, see these are the fibrous root. See, this fibrous root consists of many thin roots. See, these are the many thin roots in different sizes. Okay, many thin roots in different sizes, and it grows from the base of the stem. Here, which one is stem? Here, these are fully stem, isn't it? So, base of the stem, all the fibrous root, the thin roots are started to grow up. Okay, and this, see here, all the fibrous root bunched together. Okay, all the thin roots are bunched together, and these roots do not go deep into the soil. Okay, but taproot, what it is, go deep into the soil, under the soil it started to grow, isn't it? But this fibrous root do not go deep into the soil. Okay, see, so fibrous root do not go deep into the soil. Okay, children. See, what are the examples of fibrous root? See, some examples here I am having. This grass and paddy. Okay, paddy and wheat. Okay, wheat. These are the example of fibrous root. Okay. So, first function of root is fixation. F-I-X-A-T-I-O-N. Fixation. Okay, children, here root. See here, this root only helps to plant fix to the soil. Okay, root only helps the plant fix into the soil. Okay, you just imagine, without this root, this plant can stand straightly. Now, what will happen? The whole plant will fall down. Okay, so fixation, root is very important to the plant to fix the plant to the soil. Okay, and second one, absorption. ABSORPTION. Okay, absorption. Absorb. ABSORB. Absorption. TION. Absorption. Original. See what will happen? So here, what will happen here? The root only absorb the water and minerals from soil. Okay, so through this root only, what will happen? Absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay, from the soil. Soil means mud. Okay, so this one is absorption. And third one, storage of food. See what will happen? Some root stores some excess food in the stem itself, in the root itself. Okay, see for example, carrot, radish and beetroot. Next we are going to discuss difference between taproot and fibrous root. Okay, difference between taproot and fibrous root. See, okay, first point, taproot. First we will see about taproot. Okay, taproot. Here, taproot has thick main root and goes deep into the soil. Okay, it has a thick one main root, goes deep into the soil. Whereas here, fibrous root, here it doesn't contain any main root, and this fibrous root do not go deep into the soil. And second difference, side roots are developed from the main root. Okay, here in taproot, side roots are developed from the main root, but here in fibrous root, that side roots are developed from the base of the stem. Okay, side roots are developed from the base of the stem. And last one, this taproot looks like a long tail. Okay, taproot looks like a long tail, and here this fibrous root looks like a bunch. So today homework, children, you are going to learn only 2 question and answers. Okay children, see first question, name the parts of a plant. Name the parts of a plant. Root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit and seed. Okay, root, R-O-O-T, root. Stem, S-T-E-M, stem. Leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Fruit, F-R-U-I-T, fruit. And seed, S-E-E-D, seed. This is the first question. Okay, and second one, name the types of roots. Name the types of roots. Two types of roots are there. Okay, first one, tap root. Tap root and fibrous root. Tap root and fibrous root. TAP, tap. Fibrous, F-I-B-R-O-U-S, fibrous, F-I-B-R-O-U-S, fibrous root. Okay children, only learn these two question and answers, write neatly and send it to us children. Okay, thank you.